Hey there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out, 2016 Honda Odyssey. Nice vehicle, huh? Gray in color, nice alloy wheels. Sunroof up on top. You got privacy glass all the way around this in the back. Backup camera. We got power doors, power sliding doors. See if I can get them to work, huh? You know what? It might not work because I got the key, the car on. Hold on a second. Got the car on to put the air. Now let's try it. There we go. Guess we have to have the car on for that. So power sliding went doors. Both sides. Power lift gate. Sure does make things easy when you got a bunch of kids. This has this back seat's like a stone ghost, so this will go down in there nice and flat. Got some nice all-weather mats that come with the vehicle. Put that down. Third row seating, of course. This is actually 8 passenger, but you can reduce it down to 7 if you want and have quads. Front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check, local car. Leather seats. Nice big rear seat. Yeah, this middle piece will come out right there. It's also got DVD back here. Kids could hook up their movies and watch whatever they want. Nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, satellite backup camera. It's going to have a CD player. Dual automatic climate control, heated seats up front, of course, rear heat, radio controls and cruise control on the steering wheel, along with Bluetooth, power windows, door locks, mirrors, nice analog gauges, and you got a sunroof. Nice van, but it's missing one thing. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at TomSparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad. Thanks for watching.